Love flows effortlessly when we open ourselves to it. These affirmations will align you with the energy of love, both in giving and receiving, so that deep, meaningful connections become your reality. As you speak these words, feel them resonate within you. Breathe in love, exhale any resistance, and let's begin. I am cultivating self-love and inner wholeness. I am love, and love flows effortlessly through me because I was created from love and embody it in every way. I honor and cherish myself completely, since the love I give myself shapes the love I attract. My heart radiates warmth, kindness, and compassion, making it easy for others to feel safe, seen, and appreciated in my presence. I embrace my worthiness with confidence and ease because I was born deserving of deep, unwavering love. I see my own beauty, strength, and value clearly, which means I welcome relationships that reflect my true essence. I treat myself with the same love and tenderness I desire from another, because self-love is the foundation of all great relationships. I trust my heart to guide me to the love that is meant for me, as I am always in alignment with what serves my highest good. I am whole, complete, and at peace within myself, so that every relationship I enter is built on mutual fulfillment rather than need. I speak to myself with love, kindness, and encouragement, because my inner dialogue shapes the love I invite into my life. I create space for love by releasing all that no longer serves me, which allows my heart to remain open and ready for new blessings. I am constantly evolving into the most loving version of myself, as love and growth are deeply intertwined. My love for myself strengthens my ability to love others, making my relationships more harmonious, meaningful, and joyful. I embrace my emotions fully, knowing they are expressions of my heart's wisdom, because vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. I cultivate joy and fulfillment in my own company, so that any love I attract is an addition to my happiness, not the source of it. I radiate confidence, authenticity, and inner peace, making it easy for the right people to recognize and cherish my presence. I am attracting the love meant for me. I am a magnet for deep, fulfilling, and meaningful love, because my energy naturally draws in what aligns with my soul. I attract emotionally available, kind, and supportive people, since I have cleared space for genuine connections. Love flows into my life with perfect timing and divine ease, because the universe is always working in my favor. Every day, I move closer to the love that is destined for me, making it easy to trust the journey unfolding before me. I deserve a love that is consistent, nurturing, and deeply fulfilling, because my heart thrives in environments of care and devotion. I invite relationships that bring peace, passion, and purpose into my life, since I am aligned with my highest good. I attract a partner who sees, understands, and cherishes me completely, because I show up fully as my true self. My energy calls in relationships that inspire and uplift me, making every connection feel enriching and expansive. I am naturally drawn to people who share my values and dreams, which means every bond I create is built on a strong, unshakable foundation. Love is always within reach, revealing itself in beautiful and unexpected ways, so that I recognize its presence all around me. I trust that my soulmate is seeking me just as much as I seek them, because love is a two-way calling that cannot be missed. Every interaction I have moves me closer to the love I desire, since every experience is a stepping stone to my greatest relationships. I embrace the unknown with excitement and trust, as love often arrives in ways beyond my imagination. I open my heart fully to the love that is already on its way, making it easy to recognize and welcome it when it arrives. I choose relationships that make my soul feel seen, safe, and celebrated, because I know my heart deserves that level of devotion. I recognize love in every form. Love exists in every corner of my life, waiting to be acknowledged, because it is not confined to a single form or person. I am surrounded by love in friendships, family, nature, and even within myself, since love is an energy that exists everywhere. The love I give and receive comes in many beautiful and abundant ways, which allows me to appreciate it in all its forms. Love is present in the simplest moments of my day, making every interaction an opportunity to give and receive love. I cultivate deep and fulfilling connections with those who matter most, because I choose to nurture relationships that bring me joy. My relationships are infused with kindness, appreciation, and mutual respect, which strengthens and deepens every bond I create. Every day, I witness and celebrate love in all its expressions, so that my heart is always attuned to its presence. I find love wherever I go, in the smiles of strangers, in nature's beauty, and in my own reflection, making life feel abundant and whole. I appreciate the love that already surrounds me, because gratitude amplifies and attracts even more love into my life. I am a beacon of love, and my presence brightens the world around me as love naturally expands when shared. I attract healthy relationships into my life. I create and nurture relationships that are built on trust, joy, and emotional security, because love flourishes in safe spaces. My relationships are filled with passion, laughter, and unwavering devotion, which makes love feel both exciting and deeply fulfilling. I deserve a love that is easy, effortless, and full of joy, so that every relationship enhances my happiness. Every connection I form is an opportunity for growth and expansion, making love an ever-evolving journey. I welcome love that is gentle, patient, and filled with mutual understanding, because I know love is meant to feel safe and inspiring. The love I experience aligns with my highest good and deepest desires, which means every relationship brings valuable lessons and joy. I am cherished for who I truly am, not for who I am expected to be, making my relationships authentic and fulfilling. I communicate my needs clearly and confidently in every relationship, since love thrives in honesty and openness. I choose a partner who respects, supports, and adores me wholeheartedly, because I know my worth and expect nothing less. Love is not something I chase. It is something I attract effortlessly, since I am aligned with love's natural flow. I trust in love's divine timing. I trust that love arrives at the perfect moment, in the perfect way, because everything unfolds as it should. The love meant for me is already making its way into my life, which allows me to rest in joyful anticipation. I surrender control and allow love to unfold, with divine ease making it effortless to receive what is truly mine. Every past relationship has prepared me for the deep, fulfilling love ahead, as every experience has guided me closer to my ideal partnership. I trust in the magic of divine timing, knowing my love story is already written, which allows me to embrace the present with peace and joy. I welcome love with open arms, knowing it arrives exactly when I am ready for it, since the universe is always aligning things in my favor. I continuously expand the love I give and receive. I am a vessel of love, spreading kindness and warmth everywhere I go, which makes every interaction more meaningful. Every day, my capacity for love expands, deepening my relationships because love is limitless and ever-growing. I create a ripple effect of love, touching lives in ways I may never even realize, making my presence a gift to the world. I attract a partner who sees, understands, and cherishes me completely because I show up as my true self, unapologetically and wholeheartedly. I am surrounded by love in many forms, and it continues to grow effortlessly since love is infinite and always expanding in my life. I magnetize soul-deep connections that nourish my heart and spirit because I choose to engage with relationships that bring mutual joy and fulfillment. Love and affection flow to me in abundance as I align myself with people who are ready to give and receive wholeheartedly. I effortlessly attract meaningful relationships built on trust, honesty, and mutual respect, since I value and embody these qualities myself. The love I seek is also seeking me, and we are drawing closer every day because energy is always in motion, aligning me with my perfect match. I welcome a love that aligns with my highest self and deepest desires so that my heart is nurtured in ways that truly matter. I attract relationships that make me feel cherished, valued, and deeply understood because I honor my worth and refuse to settle for less. The universe supports my desire for deep, passionate, and soul-aligned love, making it easy for my ideal partner to recognize and embrace me fully. I trust divine timing and surrender to love's perfect unfolding, because what is meant for me will always find its way. Every experience prepares me for the love I am destined to receive, since I am constantly growing into the best version of myself. I welcome love in all its beautiful forms, romantic, platonic, and divine, so that my life is enriched by deep connections of every kind. Love is already present within me and all around me, making it effortless for me to attract even more of it. I recognize love in the small, quiet moments, as well as in grand expressions, because love is limitless and exists in every corner of my life. I make room for love by releasing past wounds and limiting beliefs so that I step forward with an open heart and a clear mind. I am worthy of an expansive, transformative love that elevates my soul because I am here to experience love in its most beautiful form. I choose to build healthy and fulfilling relationships. I choose relationships that uplift, inspire, and bring out the best in me, since love should be a source of growth, not limitation. I express my needs and desires with clarity and confidence, because healthy communication strengthens my connections. I am capable of deep intimacy and authentic vulnerability, making it easy for my relationships to thrive in trust and honesty. I embrace love that feels like home, safe, warm, and effortlessly aligned, because true love never requires me to shrink or compromise my essence. I invite partners and friends who celebrate my dreams and support my journey, since love flourishes in an environment of mutual encouragement. I trust love to find me in perfect ways and at the perfect time, because my energy naturally attracts relationships that are meant for me. I am cherished, adored, and respected in all of my relationships, since I set and honor my own standards for love. I attract people who show up consistently, lovingly, and wholeheartedly, so that my relationships feel stable, fulfilling, and deeply rewarding. I create relationships that are built on mutual admiration, trust, and unwavering support, which means every connection I nurture brings joy and meaning to my life. I welcome a relationship where love feels effortless and reciprocated, making every shared moment an experience of deep appreciation. I am free to love and be loved fully, without fear or hesitation, because love in its purest form is a gift that I am ready to receive. My relationships are thriving, joyful, and ever-expanding, since I approach love with openness, curiosity, and deep gratitude. I am at ease knowing that love is always working in my favor, because I am aligned with the highest vibration of love, and it continues to flow into my life effortlessly. Love is not something you chase, it is something you embody. As you've spoken these affirmations, you have activated a powerful shift within you. Love is drawn to you effortlessly, because you are love in its purest form. Trust in the unfolding of your journey, knowing that the relationships and connections meant for you are already aligning with your energy. Carry this vibration with you throughout your day, and let love be the guiding force in all that you do. Speak these affirmations often, and watch as love expands in ways beyond your imagination. You are worthy, you are loved, and the best is yet to come.